Hi, my name's T. Holland with Mice Hunters Incorporated. We're here today at the Lake Geneva United Methodist Church. They're having issues with bats. They're getting in through a couple of the different areas here where the brick and maybe the fascia doesn't meet together, or soffit doesn't meet together. We're also going to be checking above the gutter lines. They also have a daycare center here too as well. So we want to make sure that we protect the kids and also protect the churchgoers that come in. They've been getting them actually inside of the building, so that's why we're here today. We're going to be basically sealing this whole entire building off from top to bottom. The steeple is one of the main points of entry for where the bats are actually going in at, so we're going to be going around that. We're actually have a 60-foot JLG boom coming in where we're going to go up and we're going to fix those areas, and then we're also going to install a couple of bat excluders around the building too as well, so this way we can give at least 2 to 3 weeks to allow for those bats to leave out and then come back and seal it up finally and do a little bit of cleaning inside of the steeple for them too as well. So we're out here on the hottest day of the year. It's supposed to be like 107 with the humidity, but we're gonna get it done. We got a full crew out here working.
Jesus, I want to take a moment right now to honestly reflect on my past. I hope none of that comes back today to haunt me.
Mice Hunters, Chicagoland's only true 100% rodent-free guarantee. This will be the last day you ever live with rodents in your home.